So we're over here at the Christmas tree farm, and I just wanted to check on the excavator. So unfortunately, the other day when we went to go start the day, it would not start. You know what? I wonder if I should try to start it. Let's try to start it. Oh dear gosh, what a mess. Look at this. Look at the... This is not the birds. This looks like raccoons. Yeah, you hear that spinny sound? So the starter solenoid has gone out, we believe. So I've ordered a new one. Unfortunately, it's taking forever to get here. So I'm having to do all the work that we're trying to do without an excavator. And you want to know how important something is? Don't have it for a week. See how much it bothers you. And it is killing me. I love my excavator. Use it almost every day. Certainly every day that I'm doing any tree work on the property, I'm using an excavator. So I hate that it's down, but hopefully we'll get that part in. I'll make a video of it when we do it and share it with you guys, of course. But the birds ate my four-wheeler. They ate my seat, so I've repaired it. And then I had to replace my screen, which turned out to be the easiest thing ever. So, bye.